Hi, my name's Jennifer Jones. This is lab week 3 for microscopy of a microbiology overview. This is the result video. Um, I really enjoyed this lab. It got me familiar with the microscope parts, the handling. It was very easy to be able to switch out the mirror with the illuminator so I could have better visualization. Looking at the E at different views, low, high, medium, the oil immersion, it made me realize that at low power, it's able to be able to see better. And the higher I got, the harder it was able to see something. So like for example, the E, I couldn't really see the E in the oil immersion. I could only see the whole E at the low power and the medium power. Then at the high power, it was only showing like the bottom part of the circle. It did show more of like the impurities of the actual typing. The ink, it wasn't as straight as I thought a letter would be off of a typewriter or a printer. When it came to all the individual slides, and finding and guessing my needed magnification, I liked that. It was, it was trial by error. I always started at low power and worked my way up. The seems to me like the oil immersion is more for the very, very, very small objects, and then they look different. The yeast was a very splattery. The actual bacterias were had to use the higher magnifications. I do know that bacteria is small, however viruses are even smaller. And seemed to be every time you had to use the higher power, you could not see the actual stuff on the slide just with the naked eye, visualizing it before I put it onto the stage. Then I got to swab my cheek and my dental gum area. And my cheek, they kind of seemed like crystally branch looking. Not too many cells I found, maybe a couple, 3 to 5. But when I did the actual dental plaque, there was a lot more. Gotta brush my teeth better. But they were almost like cell-like. I could actually see like a circle inside of the little cell, and it probably seemed like they were floating, but that's probably because of the droplet of the water, and then putting the cover on to the slide. I really enjoyed this week's lab. It was a little bit more on my level since I'm not that great at science. I know it's going to get harder, which is fine. I got to prepare myself. But this is also a good week to help me be able to plan and start writing the pathogen report. All right, week 3, microscopy for microbiology results. Jennifer Jones, 2023. Thank you.